Good day guys, this is a problem of our Realme. English language and Chinese appear on the screen. The problem is the button volume. The button. You need to replace the button, or you need to replace the button, or you need to repair the button to fix that issue. And after that, after you replace the volume button, the Chinese and the English language automatically disappear on the screen. If you have question of this case, I will write to the description box the store of this case. We try the volume button and the screen. There's no English language and Chinese language appear on the screen. After replacing